is all you'll need to make a basic cheese sauce. Some cheese of your choice, some plain white flour, unsalted butter and some milk. First thing we're going to do, get your butter into a pan and melted. And then you're going in.
Is it all that flour in there?
Yeah. A couple of tablespoons of flour and get those mixed together. When your mixtures, add 20-30 seconds just to cook the flavour out of the flour. Time to go in with some milk. You're going to go in with the milk bit by bit. So get that mixed in. And then what you'll find, the milk starts to blend in with your flour and butter and creates that sort of consistency. It's like mashed potato. That means we're ready for more milk.
Is it mashed potato?
When it thickens up again, guess what? Time for some more milk. When it comes to that sort of consistency, i.e. it's not like mashed potato anymore, that is your basic bechamel sauce. Then, to make your cheese sauce, just add your favourite cheese to your bechamel sauce. And then you're just going to mix that in until you've got as much or as little, depends how cheesy you want it. No, it's cheese.
Is it butter?
It's cheese.
Cheese. And where's the fork gone?
Oh, it's disappeared.
No.
Right, so get that mixed in until your cheese is melted. Once your cheese is mixed in, you end up with that sort of sauce, ideal for anything from cauliflower to lasagna.